people don't realize, they are constantly being negotiated with by machines. Whether that's the price of products in your Amazon cart, whether you can get on a particular flight, whether you can reserve a room at a particular hotel. What you're experiencing are machine learning algorithms that have determined that a person like you is willing to pay 2 cents more and is changing the price.
Now, computer looks at millions of people simultaneously. For very subtle patterns, you can take seemingly innocent digital footprints, such as someone's playlist on Spotify or stuff that they bought on Amazon, and then use algorithms to translate this into a very detailed and very accurate, intimate profile.
There is a dossier on each of us that is so extensive, it would be possibly accurate to say that they know more about you than your mother does.